Hi friends, today I want to share with you valuable information about how to change your picture from these to these into a few minutes, and I will do that in Facetune. So for example, you took a picture of your work and you want to post it, but you see that the lighting of the picture is bad, or it could be too warm or cool in undertone, or it's blurry somewhere. So what to do in such cases and how to save your picture. And before we start, I want to invite you on my online webinar about Instagram transformation. So if you want to learn about how to edit pictures, how to take good pictures, what lighting, lens you should use, which apps you should use for making reels or posting stories, all this information will be on my webinar. Also, I will talk about branding, about logos, about creation of the website. There will be so much of interesting and valuable information. So if you want to join us, so please click on the link which will be in the captions from this video, or you will also see it on my website. I will be happy to teach you and to show you all my knowledge. So let's start editing. I will do that on my iPad and you will see it here. So I opened my picture in Facetune, and first thing that I will do, I will go to edit, and here you have shadows, and I will increase the shadows up to 100. And now I go to retouch, and here you have fix shadow, and I work on this area with the fixing shadow tool, and I also put it up to the highest mode. So you can see how we reduce the shadow. Now again, I go into editing, and here I will use highlights and reduce it a little bit. I will also go to temperature, and I will increase the temperature. I like when pictures looks more warm in undertone, so I increase the temperature. And now I will also, let's play with the light, maybe add a little bit the light, maybe add a little bit the sharpness, and let's see, maybe a little bit of the contrast, right? No, maybe no. And brightness is fine. So let's now go play with the eye a little bit. Let's go in retouch, and here we have whiten, and let's whiten this area of an eye where we have this redness. Yeah, it looks better. It's always better when eye looks lighter, whiter. Yeah, already you can see how we changed this picture. Okay, let's see what we can do now. Let's go in retouch, and let's go into smooth, and also smooth this area a little bit, not to have it so intense. Good. And also we can go into sharpen and sharp a little bit an eye, or we can also go into structure and give an eye some volume, like this. Look how we change an eye in a few seconds. Looking at that, looks so good, right? Also what we can do is to clean a little bit the skin. Go into retouch, and here you have the cleans, and you can also work a little bit on the skin to make it more smooth and to keep all the attention to an eye. If you will, for example, do lash enhancement. Yeah, look how it blurred it, but still it stays sharp and we see it perfectly. Okay, so now what we can do also, I would like to add a little bit more warmness, temperature, and maybe a little bit more. Yes, like that I like more. So let's see the difference. It's amazing. It's amazing difference. And in such a way, if you will retouch another picture with for example, your work after lash enhancement, if you will retouch them in the same way, it will be very easy for you to make a beautiful collage with these two pictures. If you want me to teach you how to do beautiful collages, please put something in comments. Put collage in comments, and I will do that for you. Okay, so we can save this picture. And let's now compare them. So this one was after and this one was before. Look at the difference. It's amazing. What do you think about that? So guys, I hope you liked my quick editing in Facetune and it will be useful for you. And I will be happy to teach you on my webinar much more of such tricks and much more different interesting things about your Instagram, about editing and posting and branding. So please join it on the 27th of September. And also please subscribe on my channel. It's new, it's just second video which I do here. So I will be very happy to see you here as well. And please give me some likes and comments. We'll be happy to read that. Have a great day and see you soon.